If your Monday.com form is showing a submit failed error, don't worry, because in this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step. This is usually caused by a temporary browser issue, a login session problem, cache and cookie conflicts, browser extensions, VPN settings, or even a network issue. The good news is that you can usually fix it in just a few minutes without needing any advanced troubleshooting. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes and tutorials. Now, let's get into it. First, try the simplest fix. Refresh the page. Sometimes Monday.com forms fail to submit because the page didn't load correctly or the connection glitched for a moment. A quick refresh can reload the form and clear that temporary error right away. After refreshing, try submitting the form again and see if the issue is gone. If that doesn't work, sign out of Monday.com completely, then sign back in. Sometimes the form submit failed error happens because your session has expired or your account authorization is stuck. Logging out and back in forces Monday.com to create a fresh session, which can clear hidden account-related issues. Once you're signed back in, go back to the form and test the submission again. If you're still seeing the error, the next step is to clear your browser cache and cookies. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time to open the Clear Browsing Data menu. Then select Cache and Cookies, choose the option to clear them, and confirm. After that, restart your browser completely before trying again. Old cached files or broken cookies can easily interfere with Monday.com forms, so this step is often one of the most effective fixes. Next, check your browser extensions. Some extensions, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, script blockers, or security add-ons, can interfere with Monday.com's form submission process. Open your browser menu, go to Extensions, then Manage Extensions, and temporarily turn off any ad blockers or other suspicious extensions. Once they are disabled, refresh Monday.com and try submitting the form again. If the error disappears, you've found the cause. Another thing to try is turning off your VPN or proxy if you're using one. Monday.com may block or struggle with certain network routes, especially if your IP address is being masked or routed through a proxy service. Disable the VPN or proxy, then refresh the page and test the form again. Sometimes the issue is not with the form itself, but with the way your connection is being handled. If you're still stuck, switch to a different network. For example, if you're on office Wi-Fi, try a mobile hotspot, or if you're on a hotspot, try a different Wi-Fi connection. A network restriction, firewall, or unstable connection can prevent Monday.com from completing the submission request. Switching networks is a great way to quickly confirm whether the problem is local to your connection. At this point, if the form still won't submit, go back through the steps one more time in this order. Refresh the page, sign out and sign back in, clear cache and cookies, disable extensions, turn off VPN or proxy, and then switch networks if needed. In most cases, one of those fixes will solve the Monday.com form submit failed error. And that's it. You now know how to fix Monday.com form submit failed error using a simple step-by-step process. If this tutorial helped, please hit the like button and subscribe for more practical app and software troubleshooting videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.